A range is a cell or group of cells in a worksheet. Range selection is when cells are highlighted or activated. Hold down left mouse button and drag across target cells for multi-cell range selection. Hold down left mouse button on row heading and drag for multi-row selection. Similarly, hold down left mouse button on column heading and drag for multi-column selection. Select contiguous and non-contiguous range. Contiguous means shared border. Using the mouse, click cell, hit Shift key and click End cell in contiguous range. Hold down Control key and click additional target cells for non-contiguous range selection. Click row heading to select row, again use Shift key for contiguous and Control key for non-contiguous range selection. Similarly, click column heading to select column, use Shift and Control keys for contiguous and non-contiguous range selection. Using the name box for navigation, selection, and range naming. Range navigation. I type A1 into the name box to select cell A1, then I type R301 to move the cursor to cell R301. It's a lot faster than scrolling. Select a range using the name box. I type the first and last cell of the target range, separated by a colon, then hit Enter. Now I can name this range bike data. Simply type bike data, followed by Enter into the name box. Now selecting bike data from the name box selects the range. Using the Name Manager from the Formulas ribbon group to create, edit, and delete named ranges. Using the mouse, click Formulas, Defined Names, Name Manager. Click New to create a named range. My range will be A1 through A301 and I'll call it Bike. Click OK to close the dialog box. Now I can select the bike range from the name box. I'll open the Name Manager to change the range name. I select the name and click the Edit button. I'll change the name to Bike 301, then click OK and close.